Okay, here we are at the test airport, Edwards Air Force Base, where there's lots of room. You can overrun runways. You don't have to have a bunch of other landing traffic. You pretty much have the place to yourselves. So we're going to do the test and make maybe a touch and go with two engines running, and then shut one engine down and see if I can make a decent landing with Darkstar. So here we go. And we're about ready to fly. There we go. Wheels up. And we'll go out this way because the other runway is parallel. It's a shorter runway is next to this. So we should be able to shoot a touch and go there and bring the power back to half. So we'll go up real high, and then when we have the single engine running, we'll come in on the long runway. So we'll come on around and take a look. 6,000 feet. I think we're about 3,000 feet to start with. So keep an eye on the runway. Come on around. Bring the power back. Put the wheels down. They're telling me to acknowledge frequency change.
Edwards Tower Experimental Flight 27 Bravo Charlie frequency change.
Okay, we're at Edwards Air Force Base, and we're coming around to land on this runway. We just took off from the long runway right there. And of course that's dry lake bed out there, so we can just go on out. So we got to keep this a little above 200. We'll get on the tail. Got the wheels down. We got both engines running. No afterburners. I think we're maybe at about 2,400 feet here. I forget the elevation. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Did I say it doesn't matter if we overrun? So we'll see about doing a touch and go. Now we're getting a little bit slow, but we're running on two engines. We'll try to keep it a little bit faster on the when I get it down to a single engine. So we have a little power, so that'll help us round it out. So we should be able to handle this at 90. A little bit of rotation here, little porpoise. A little bit of jockeying. It runs into the ground effect, and that's gonna play a game with it. So now we'll go on around, and we'll oops. I don't know why the engines didn't. Oh, what happened was I pulled the throttle back too fast, and that if you have reversers, that turns on the reversers. So I pulled it back. If you don't have reversers, it just shuts down your engine. So when I went to full power, nothing happened. Okay, now let's see if I got the wheels up. I don't need the wheels up. Now we're going to shut down one engine. We'll shut down the right engine. And we'll put the wheels up for while we're shutting the engine down. We wouldn't have the wheels down. So we're going to pull this engine back, the right engine. And we're going to shut one off here, the right one. And we'll go back outside. It's gonna start ejecting. So we're 300 knots. Then we'll come on around. We'll look and see how we're doing. We got lots of altitude, so we got to come around landed on that. And we'll keep a little power up so we can get on around. We'll go ahead and put the wheels down. And we'll keep an eye on how we're doing here. Yeah, we're doing good. And then we'll hit this button. I have a button on the right side of the yoke. Okay, 277, that's good. We're going to land on the left runway, which is the long one. I forgot to see what the altitude of the airport again. I think it's a little under 3,000, maybe 2,500 feet. So one engine, you can see just one engine has power. Got plenty of runway, plenty of speed. It's almost flying naturally. Very little power here. Little porpoising. You can shut down the power. Maybe just hold this and it'll just go right on. Goes right into the ground effect. Yep. Yep. That's how you do it. Little extra speed. Okay, we hit the brakes. And that's how you do it. Edwards Air Force Base. Don't have any other airplanes lined up on the runway to distract you. And you've seen it taxi in before, so we won't taxi in. But we'll go ahead and shut it down. There we go, back into the cockpit. And we take this engine here and shut that down. And there we go. And we'll give you a little tour around Edwards Air Force Base. So we're on the longer runway, which is out further from the hangars. I guess the more dangerous airplanes land out there, so they want to keep the hangars farther away from the longer runway. Anyway, this is where you want to do your experimenting. Thanks for watching. Finally made a couple of halfway decent landings. Thanks for watching. Bye.